She fill my mind up with ideas.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I came on my channel and recorded a video for you all, but I am back and I am better. For today's video, I decided to give you all a holiday glam look. I had a lot of fun doing this look. At first I didn't think, it was gonna come out good, but what Nene always say, trust the process. If you are not already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I already have my eyebrows done. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, make sure you check out my eyebrow tutorial video, which is already on my channel. The palette that I'm featuring today is the beautiful Juvia's Place palette, the Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette. When I tell y'all, I have been looking everywhere for this palette. I've been looking everywhere for this palette, and I'm so excited because the colors, yeah. Look at the pigmentation. So starting off, I'm going in the palette and I'm taking the color Jealous, and I'm taking that straight into my crease. I'm not packing on the color. As you can see here, I go straight into blending it out. I felt like this palette was pigmented enough that I could do that, as you can see. So I'm just going to continue blending it into my crease and blend out the edges so it's not as harsh. Next, I'm taking Lust and I'm just packing this color on top of that first shade I did in my crease. And again, I'm not packing this color on, I'm just blending it straight into my crease. Next, I'm going in with a shade I believe is called EgbaMi, and I'm taking a small tapered crease brush and I'm packing this color into the outer corner and working that into my crease. This is going to give the look some depth and some definition. To cut my crease, I used the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Cool Ivory. I wasn't able to get the P. Louise eyeshadow base, so I used what I had in my kit. So I'm trying my best to do a cut crease. I'm not the best on cut creases, as you will see. I kind of mess up a little bit and I try to fix it. However, I did the best I could with this look. Now going back into the Juvia's Place palette, I am now taking the glitter shade Goals and I'm just packing this onto where I cut my crease. This shade was actually kind of difficult to put on. I don't know if it's because the eyeshadow itself was chunky or if I was using like the wrong brush or whatever the case may be, but I tried my best to pack this color on. During me packing that color onto my lid, I decided to go back into the palette to take EgbaMi and place that on the outer corner. I don't know, I just liked how it looked, so I went back and did it on my other eye, and eventually I will do it on my first eye. Now I'm just going back in with a blending brush just to blend out any harsh lines I may see and just to kind of seamlessly bring the look together. Next, I went ahead and drew on my wing liner. Yeah, this was kind of difficult to do because the eyeshadow was chunky itself, so I would recommend drawing your wing liner on before putting the chunky eyeshadow on your lids, but here I am putting my wing liner on. I can't really explain how to do this. It's better if you just watch me instead. Taking my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, I'm going to go ahead and prime my skin before foundation. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do my face routine. I do have a video on my channel how I do my foundation and everything like that, so make sure you check out that video after you watch this one. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and do my regular face routine makeup.
Spaceship, now I'm space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Ain't riding sticks like a latex. Rich and rich set. Smoke a lot of trees in the deep plant. Did take a lean with a lean at. Sleeping on these G's as a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool right. Checking from my fan like a fantastic. I was broke as hell sleeping on the mattress. I felt like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Made it up by the Camo, got a new edit. With a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. My head in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of Gucci's and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. Studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wonder about my dedicated. This love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drink gold, they didn't know we already. Smoke clothes on my we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Ain't riding sticks like a latex. Rich and rich set. Smoke a lot of trees in the deep plant. Did take a lean with a lean at. Sleeping on these G's as a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool right. She know she was overseas, they were pan level. Shopping Tokyo, Japan, they the best of them. Blue bear t-shirt, sleeve button up. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Gotta bend down, this ain't a propeller. Me and we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. Drippin' niggas drowning, I cannot help them. Booming out of guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia ties out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell it. Got some pimp, feel like pine, feel like Velcro. I'm buying that little shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, it's a day, yo. Ain't you stingy, my bro, gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in that peso. I can only hit it engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Ain't riding sticks like a latex. Rich and rich set. Smoke a lot of trees in the deep plant. Did take a lean with a lean at. Sleeping on these G's as a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool right. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Ain't riding sticks like a latex. Rich and rich set. Smoke a lot of trees in the deep plant. Did take a lean with a lean at. Sleeping on these G's as a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool right.
This is the final completed look. I am so happy with the way this look came out. I was kind of nervous at first, but in the end, you know, everything came out looking great. So I just want to thank you all for tuning into this video. Make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.
She see money all around me.